So alpha 1 is in arterioles, most arterioles of the body. Alpha 2 is inhibitory. So it's going to, when the sympathetic system activates alpha 2, it's going to cause inhibition in the effector targets. So one major location for alpha 2 is the digestive system. So we know the sympathetic system inhibits digestion. It does so through alpha 2. Does anybody know where beta 1 is? Heart. So beta 1 is the heart, so that's the major sympathetic receptor in the heart. So when we have increase in heart rate or increase in strength of the contraction, it's because epi or norepi binds to beta 1, activates CAMP, which leads to changes in the cells. Contractile cells are autonomic. And then beta 2, which is our last receptor here, so it is inhibitory. So we find that one location that we find it is in the bronchioles of the lungs. So bronchodilation is caused by inhibition of the smooth muscle in those bronchioles. So when that smooth muscle relaxes, it allows the tube to open so more air can go through. Another major, I'm sorry, it's on the slide as well. The bronchioles of the lungs. The other major location for it is in the arterioles of the skeletal muscles and the heart. So we said that those are the exceptions to the vasoconstriction. When the sympathetic system innervates the arterioles of the heart and the skeletal muscles, they vasodilate, and that's through inhibition. So what can get kind of tricky is when we're looking at the heart, when we're looking at the tissue of the heart tissue, so contractile cells or autorhythmic cells, versus the blood supply of the heart. We're talking about two different types of cells and two different receptors. So if a question is asked, what is the effect of sympathetic innervation on the heart, we're talking about beta 1. If the question is, what is the effect of sympathetic innervation on the blood supply to the heart or the cardiac arterioles, that is, we're talking about beta 2. So that's, you always just want to read questions carefully, make sure it's clear what is being asked about. Yeah?
So you said parasympathetic was beta 2?
Say that again?
A parasympathetic was beta 2?
No. These are all adrenergic, so they're all epi and norepi. So when we talk about parasympathetic, what we're talking about, I've erased it, but we're talking about muscarinic on the effector target. Yeah, so this is much more complicated than cholinergics. That's pretty straightforward, just the muscarinic receptors. But this is all mediated, these are all activated by the sympathetic division.
So what was the differentiation you were making between the heart for beta 1 beta 2?
Okay, so beta 1, we talked about beta 1, where is it located? We talked about it being in the heart. So beta 1 is going to be